this has been in my wish list forever, and every time I attempt to buy them, I just like find other shoes. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Have you seen my other unboxing videos yet of the two other items that I got for Valentine's gift? Anyway, I hope you check them out. I have the link down below. And today I'm gonna reveal the third item that I got for Valentine's. It is such an amazing purchase. She's so stunning and I can't wait to share it with you. And if you're new here, my name is Zona. I share videos regarding fashion, how to style, shopping for clothes, shoes, and especially handbags. And I hope that you join me today for this unboxing. I hope you subscribe, like, and share my videos and write some comments down below. I'd like to know how you feel. And also, I hope you have seen my other Paris unboxing, and I'm going to be sharing Paris haul for all the items that I got recently on my trip to Paris for my 40th birthday. Every single item I just love and adore, and I am very thankful for all of you who have watched them and joined me on those videos. I will be preparing more videos to come, and I hope you stay tuned. Subscribe and hit the notification down below so you could be notified every time I upload a video. Alright, so let's get into this unboxing. Today I'm going to reveal a really cute shoes, really stunning, very classy, a memorable Valentine's Day shopping for me. And so to reveal, here she is, of course, from Christian Louboutin, and it comes with two dust bags. Beautiful. And I have tried them on at the store when I got it. My personal shopper have to order them online, and I wanted to get it delivered at the boutique in Nordstrom because I want to try them on first to make sure that it feels comfortable, and I'm keeping the item. It's just easier that way rather than to get it shipped to your house. So sometimes I do that when I shop in Nordstrom. All right. Let's do it. Are you ready? So this is the actual reveal because I showed you first with the dust bag. But here she is. How stunning. Christian Louboutin shoes are made in Italy. I love how the red sole right here, and it's just so classic. It's so stunning. I know that this has been a trend for a long time. It remains a classic, and their pumps are just very nice. Isn't she adorable? I wanted to get the Kate in patent leather. When I was in Paris in Le Bon Marche, they didn't have my size, and then I forgot about it. Then when I came here, I went to Christian Louboutin and they also don't have my size, and I decided maybe I'm not going to get the patent leather right now because I only have one bag, my Dior bag, that is in patent leather. Even if it's the most popular, very classy, and I know that patent leather is more durable and hard wearing compared to their leather ones. However, I feel that that can wait. Maybe I'll purchase it the next time I go to Paris so I can have a discount. And this one, I just feel like I could really wear this every day and have it with me. Also that it will match a lot of my bags, especially my newest Chanel bag. I feel like this style is going to be a best friend of all my black leather bags. I can't go wrong with this purchase. This model is the alloy. It's a little bit pointy, quite sexy and cute. It's simple but yet elegant. I love it so much. It's just stunning. Oh my gosh, I think I could get a lot of wear out of this. The height is about 85. I love the 85 heel height because I know I could walk on them all day and it's very comfortable. I think it's just a perfect height for me. 70 and 85 is just like the best height for pumps, so I try to stay within that range. It does comes with this little dust bag and have this extra thing to go in the tip of your heel in case you know it gets broken. So I have that. It's just so stunning. I like how the leather looks really buttery and soft, so beautiful. And the red sole is just sexy. I know 10 years ago that this has been so popular. I think the popularity has gone down now, but I don't care. I like to buy it, and I like to have one in my collection. I don't have any Christian Louboutin. I have never jumped into the bandwagon when it was so popular. I didn't purchase any of them, but yeah, I think it's just nice to be able to make the decision and buy them. I still have the cake in patent leather in black in my wish list for this year, or I think it could just wait when I go back to Paris, because I do save an enormous amount of money shopping there. Alright, so that is it for my quick shoe reveal today. I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing today, and I thank you for spending another time with me. Make sure to watch all my other videos. I have a lot of travel vlogs as well in Bali, Paris, China, and Japan. I hope that my channel is of good value to you, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Have a good day, have a good night, so wherever you are, you always take care and know that I love you.